Only when you fully understand a problem can you really come up with intelligent ways to tackle it. And so understanding how normal processes work in vision is extremely important. And I'm really excited to talk about my work, which involves using zebrafish as a model organism to understand how the eye works. What I'm trying to do is understand how cellular processes and signaling in the retinal pigment epithelial cells can contribute to causation of disease. If we can understand that, then we can start to strategize cures and therapies that could benefit human patients. One of the reasons that we love to use zebrafish is that they have very good color vision. They are diurnal, so they have daytime activities, much the way humans do. And that gives us greater insight into how the eye processes color and bright light. We're also able to use transgenic technologies. We can insert edited genes or genes that can aid in our tracking of cells or proteins, and in this way we can better understand the processes that go on in the cells of the retina and ultimately understand how the retina and our vision works.